I'm replacing the safety clutch counter hook, which goes on the safety clutch. This happens to be on a Juki Juki 1541S. You also find them on different Jukis and Consos and Singers. I've already taken the belt off, but you just turn the balance wheel to work the belt off. Just work it to the side. Then you loosen these two screws right here. And then you can slide this right off. When you put this back on, this left screw right here needs to go right over this flat part or the groove on the post here. So here it is off of the machine. You have to remove this little spring before you can get to the counter hook. Be very careful, it can fly away. This counter hook right here, the tip got sheared off. There's a little pin that goes through a hole on this post right here. You got to remove that pin, and I got to replace it. It broke when I took it off. I have to replace it with something from the hardware store later. But then you can pull this guy off. You can order it. It's relatively inexpensive. You can find it online. And put a new one on. Here's the new counter hook I got from Juki and the old broken one. You have to insert the end of this spring into this small hole on the side of this piece right here, right below my finger. Slide the counter hook back into that little slot on the spring toward the hole until the end of the counter hook slides right over that post. Then it'll be seated in there. Then you need to put in a cotter pin into the hole on the shaft here to hold it in place. Since I don't have a cotter pin that small, I'm going to use a spring that I have to make a cotter pin myself.